So this time, I will show to you how to find the linear equation. So I will show these three methods because there are many methods on how to find the linear equation. It depends on what are the given, okay? So first, I will show to you how to find the linear equation using the slope-intercept form. So this is the easiest method, okay? Because you will just be given the slope, which is m, and the y-intercept, which is b. So that is why it is called slope-intercept form, because you'll be given the slope m and the y-intercept b. For example, if your m is 2 and your b is 3, so using the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, so just substitute m, which is 2 here, and 3 to b. So y is equal to 2x plus 3. So that's it. So what if your answer is not found in the choices, okay? You can rewrite this one into negative, transpose 2x to the left side, it will become negative 2x, then plus y equals 3. Plus y because this is positive y, okay? Now, negative 2x plus y equals 3. You can rewrite this one also into, or negative 2x plus y equals 3. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So we will go to the inverse of this negative 2x plus y equals 3. So negative 1 times negative 2x is 2x, positive 2x. Negative 1 times y, it will become minus y. Then negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. So it's up to the choices, okay? If your classmate or if your teacher asks for the standard formula or standard form of the linear equation, it's either this one or this one, okay? But again, if your answer is found in the choices like this one, still correct, okay? Let's try this one. M equals negative 3 and b equals negative 4. So using the formula y equals mx plus b, so y equals negative 3x, then plus negative 4. So y equals negative 3x. So positive times negative, that is negative, so minus 4, okay? So this is correct. Or you can rewrite this one into 3x plus y equals negative 4. Still correct. Okay, that's it. Method that I will show to you is the 2-point form using the 2-point form. So it is called 2-point form because you will be given 2 points. For example, I have here point 1, which is 3, 2, and point 2, which is 5, 7. Okay, so you will use the formula y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so again, the second terms is always y sub 1 x sub 1, y sub 1 x sub 1. Then the first terms, y over x, then y sub 2 over x. So just an easy way to memorize the formula, okay? So using this formula, we can form a linear equation. First thing to do is label this one, the 2 points. Here, if you say point 1, this is your x sub 1, and this is your y sub 1. Here, this is your point 2, this is your x sub 2, and this is your y sub 2. So don't forget or don't interchange the two. So x, the first number is the x, the second number is the y, okay? So again, point 1, So x sub 1, y sub 1. Point 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. So substitute all these values to the formula. So y, because we don't have the values of y here, also with x, so copy that. So y minus your y sub 1 is 2, your x sub 1 is 3. So if you substitute it, if your answer or the step are interchange, you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so don't forget that one. So again, y minus 2 and x minus 3 equals, so copy here 2 and 3. Okay, because 2, then 2 is y sub 1, x sub 1 is 3. So y sub 2 is 7, x sub 2 is 5. Okay, next, copy y minus 2, because you cannot subtract that one, just copy, equals, here you can subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, the next is you can cross multiply. So this time you can cross multiply. So multiply this one, 5 times x minus 3, 5 times x minus 3, then 2 times y minus 2. Okay, that is cross multiplication. Then multiply it by terms, so each term. Okay, so by distributive property, 5 times x multiply, then minus 5 times 3. So that's the distributive property. Also this one, 2 times y minus 2 times 2. Okay, so simplify. 5 times x, 5x, minus 5 times 3, 15, equals 2 times y, 2y, minus 2 times 2, 4. Now if you notice, we have constants here. So first thing to is copy 5x, then this 2y transpose to the other side will become minus 2y. So minus 2y. So from positive to negative. Okay, equals, here your minus 15 will become positive 15. Then copy minus 4. Okay, so these are the two terms that will be interchanged. Okay, then 5x, copy 5x minus 2y, equals 15 minus 4 is 11. So you now have this standard form of linear equation using the 2-point form. Have this second example using the 2-point form. Your point 1 is negative 4, 5. Your point 2 is 3, negative 6. So again, label it this as x sub 1. Then this is y sub 1. This is x sub 2. And this is your y sub 2. Okay, so again, using the formula, memorize y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1, then x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So again, copy your y and your x, minus. So y sub 1 is 5, x sub 1 is 4, equals y sub 2 is negative 6, minus your y sub 1 is 5. Okay, your x sub 2 is 3, minus your x sub 1 is negative 4. Okay, so copy here, y minus 5, x minus 4 equals negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. Then 3 minus negative 4, so negative and negative is plus. Okay, so it will become 3 plus 4. So continue here. So copy y minus 5, then x minus 4 equals negative 11, then 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, then cross multiply. So negative 11 times x minus 4, 7 times y minus 5. Okay, So negative 11 times x minus negative 11 times 4, right? Equals 7 times y minus 7 times 5. So negative 11x, this is minus. Negative 11 times 4 is negative 44 equals 7 times y is 7y. Then 7 times 5 is 35. Then negative 11x, negative and negative will become positive. So that will become plus 44 equals 7y minus 35. So negative 11x will become, the 7y will become minus 7y equals negative 44 minus 35. So from positive 44 to negative 44. The negative 11x minus 7y is equal to, this is negative 44 minus 35, that is negative 79. So if you notice, all the terms are negative. So negative 11x, negative 7y equals negative 79. So you can rewrite that one from this one. It will become 11x plus 7y equals 79. So still, they are the same. Okay, so this one, we have just to multiply negative 1 to the both sides. It will become negative, it will become 11x plus 7y equals 79. Okay, we'll have the third method, point slope form. So in the point slope form, you will be given a point and a slope. Okay, so this is the form: m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1 equals y minus y sub 1. So you will be given a point. For example, point 1 is 2, 3. Then your slope is 2. So these values will be substituted to the formula or form. Okay, so before that, this is your x sub 1 and this is your y sub 1. Okay, so using the formula, m times x minus x sub 1 equals y minus y sub 1. So your m is 2 times copy x minus your x sub 1 is 2 equals copy y. Your y sub 1 is 3. Okay, then multiply 2 times x minus 2 times 2 equals y minus 3. So 2x minus 2 times 2 is 4 equals y minus 3. Then 2x, positive y from the right side will become negative y or minus y to the left side equals minus 4 will become positive 4. Okay, then minus 3. So copy 2x minus y equals 4 minus 3 is 1. And you have your linear equation. 2x minus y equals 1. So let's have the second example using the point slope form. So for example, you have the point which is point 1, we have negative 3, then positive 8. Your m is negative 4. Okay, so using this formula, m times x minus x sub 1 equals y minus y sub 1. So your m is negative 4 times x. Your x sub 1 is negative 3. Okay, equals y minus y sub 1 is 8. So again, don't interchange the two. Okay, so this is your x sub 1 right here, your y sub 1 right here. Okay, then multiply negative 4 times x minus negative 4 times negative 3 equals y minus 8. So negative 4x minus negative 4 times negative 3, that is positive 12. So that is positive 12. Okay, equals y minus 8. So negative 4x, y will become here minus y. Then your minus 12 will become positive 12. So 12 minus 8. Then continue here. So negative 4x minus y equals 4. So 12 minus 8 is positive 4. Or you can rewrite this one into 4x plus y equals negative 4. So it's either of the two. You still have the correct answer.